Hey traders, welcome to episode 472 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here. Sorry man, you caught me looking at Nasdaq Composite, IXIC. I know it's not Bitcoin, but hey, Bitcoin's pivoting, man. Hey, it held above that upsloping resistance. Well, it was resistance, it became support. But anyway, I don't know. We'll just go with it, man. Since we're on the Nasdaq, yeah, it hit right back at all-time highs today. Stock market's on a tear. If you haven't noticed, you've been living under a rock or you've just been too heavily focused on Bitcoin or altcoins. The investors market and the traders market doing incredibly well over here. 25 trillion market cap. Not bad, man. Been around a really long time too. So if we were to break this, I don't know, man. It seems like a good area where we might pull back. I mean, you're overbought on the 4 hour. You haven't been this overbought on the 4 hour since August 29, 2018, and before that, June of 2018. It's been a while, all right? Very, very nice. So, maybe we're creating ourselves a neckline, all right? And we sell off somewhere, maybe a bullish consolidation pattern. Daily golden cross occurred on the Nasdaq on the 4th of April as Bitcoin got its daily golden cross yesterday. So, well, things are great, man. Okay, all those songs, stock market's down. Not in our current reality. Our current reality is everything's awesome. Everything's lit. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. My bad, dude. Sorry. Hope y'all are having a wonderful Tuesday evening. I'm sorry if you missed the day stream. The day stream was definitely longer than normal and earlier than normal. All right. But just remember, in market conditions like this, when Bitcoin is moving up, down, and it's good, it's not bad. I mean, remember that one time I went live at like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. because we were dumping or something or pumping? I can't even remember anymore. And then today we were moving to the upside a little bit more, so it's like, okay, fine. I'm going to be going live. Always be casting, ABC. Always be closing in sales. Always be casting and streaming, all right? Same stuff. So this is the trend line I was talking about. The two upsloping convergent trend lines, the teal ones you can see pictured on your screen. Well, it was a resistance and then has become support. Sold off a little bit only to pivot. We're trying to pivot right now anyway with 51 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Be very good to see us hold and reject lower prices with these wicks. Nice rejection wicks. All right. So if we were to continue running the upside, you'd be testing 1272 again, 5640. That is what we tested last night. Tested 5650 on the dot before selling off, pulling back. That's okay. Measure move of the small wedge is right around 5733, which is also the top of the channel. So impulse up, down, you retrace a little bit and then you rally again. Okay, so it's like A, B, C. Looking for that C to run up, all right? It's just the waves. So I don't know, man, if this truly was B. Are we really done here? Up for debate. But either way, bulls own this market for now. And of course that can change. Where we're hitting resistance is very weak. It's not a very strong resistance. Okay, we've got some resistance at 5800, which is a confluent zone for our new pattern that might be potentially developing, our bearish crab pattern. Very similar to the bearish bat that was invalidated last night. But the only difference is from C to D, it's much higher. And so we could be running up to hit that 1618 fib extension from X to A. That's how we fib Fibonacci from the high point to low point. This would give us our fib extensions up here. And we're looking for that 1618 confluent with from B to C, a high point to low point, B to C. We're looking for a 3618. Tons of confluence up here at critical areas of resistance. Stems back to June, late June. And on the daily, we could see that if we started getting up to those prices at some point, I believe we would be showing at some point, some bearish divergence. So all this makes a lot of sense. I don't know why we wouldn't hit 5,800 at some point. It would just seem weird. There's just not resistance where we are now. Not really. Okay, besides some ragtag fib extensions. Okay. Horizontal line, nothing, dude. Nothing to 5,800, really. Okay. So that's where we would expect to go in time, but one must remain patient, always. In other news, altcoins destroyed. A lot of them, I mean, absolutely obliterated. Okay. Yeah. Gordon Gecko, say a comparison, July 2015 to April 2019, July 15 dumped. I mean, okay. We can try to do this. Let me do the whole, what I was doing before. We weren't going to do, we would do not vertical, we would do horizontal. Give me a sec. This is like the only second time I've ever really done this on stream. I normally always do them vertical. Vert connect. Kappa. Okay, so let me go to Bitstamp on both of these. Oops. Okay, so let's say this was the end. Okay, let's say, give me a sec, I gotta do it on this one too. I gotta go all the way back. The bottom's gonna be 2015 time. Same chart though, so that's good. So this is what people would think, and I mean, definitely don't disagree with them, really. Okay, we could compare this dump we had November 2014 down to January 2015. We could compare that dump from November of 2018 to December 15th, 2018. Okay, that is what we could compare this dump to. I know there's much more craziness here. I get it, man. So, you know, if that's the case... You got the resistance up here. Look, we ran up. We hit October 2014. Could have been like August of 2018 and June of 2018 for us, right? October 2014, November 2014, right? There's even more resistance up here. This could have been like 6K. This could have been like 5,800, whatever. But you could see we eventually pivoted and ran. We got it. I mean, this was much more violent. This was very methodical. Slow going. We had plenty of time to be kings. So we ran up, you hit the overhead resistance, or you created it really, and then sold off and created a new range, a new low, a higher low than your previous low. Good news. So you pivoted for a minute and then you ran back up to the same resistance. All right, so maybe this could be the equivalence of us doing something like this. Why do I have so much more room here? Hold on. Can I move this? It's not letting me, is it the same size? Let me get rid of the fibs real quick. Yeah, you get rid of both. I know. It's just a lot. So, this March of 2015 could be our April. So if we can't break this area up here, that's very critical, then we could expect, yeah, we could go a little bit higher, hit this area, and then sell off and create some sort of new low.
In your opinion, are all the alts getting destroyed BTC? Is money flowing from LTC, BTC, etc. to BTC? IV, please. Long pre-earnings.
Is that a joint? Is that a joint?
That's the way I felt right there, dude. Whoa. Thanks for the double talk. I don't know why it does that. It's OBS on drugs, man. I did restart my OBS just in case because my internet got fixed, I guess. Oh, let me read that again. Why, in your opinion, are all the alts getting destroyed to Bitcoin? Because, like, I think the asset that is to the Bitcoin pair, it to its US dollar pair, is not increasing in value enough, right? It's not like any news happened. So if Bitcoin's moving up, then everything else, if in the US dollar pair, like let's say ADA to BTC is getting wrecked, ADA to the US dollar is kind of moving up, but not really, but Bitcoin's really moving up, that BTC pair is going to get wrecked because the value of the US dollar pair is not going up near enough. And so obviously if it's staying stagnant, then you're just getting devalued to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is currently moving up, right? That's it. And yeah, I think people are exiting. People are like getting out. People are like panicking and getting out of altcoins. You can see it, man. Look at some of these charts like IOTA, OST now. There's so many that are just getting completely killed. Well beyond any stops, man. This is like, it's like in serious stuff. We're starting to make maybe all-time lows on some of these things, okay? So, it's just because the pair to the US dollar isn't really going up that much. And so the value of it isn't going up. So if Bitcoin's going up, it's losing value to Bitcoin, right? Anyway, so what could happen is we top out here because of overwhelming resistance. 6K is also another strong area. All right, you could even go up there, dude. Oh my God, don't get too euphoric. Don't get cocky, kid. Don't get cocky. Run up to 6,000, whatever, and then dump again and find this low back from 3,500. All right. And then we could just, this was the theory I was talking about before anyway. Range bound. Range bound, and then we could break, man. Okay, and then that could be how it all, and that's how it all started, dudes. You know, you get the golden cross. Look, man. Golden cross into the fake out, into the golden cross again. Just got that first golden cross like we did in July 2015 right here, okay? So, you're up. What were you doing here? You were hitting resistance. You were hitting overhead resistance. You had a false breakout, lower high, and then dumped back to these areas. You went from a high of like $300-something all the way down to $200, okay, back then. See what I'm saying? See what's going on, dude? Could be the other way around where we have the 3,100 low. But again, I mean, this is all speculative, dude, okay? We're just doing TA speculation because it was requested, it was asked for. So hopefully this gives people more illumination when it comes to now compared to how it was in the days of old. Kappa. Anyone? Did that help anyone at all? Thanks. So, I know people are so excited, so happy, but I mean, just when you're talking about simple rudimentary resistance points, this is extreme amounts of it that was manufactured last year. And we're setting ourselves up to get wrecked, maybe. I mean, if you can break 6K convincingly, man, I'll be singing a completely different tune. But for now, this was expected. This move we made up was completely expected in this stream. There's hours upon hours of video evidence of that. We're just doing exactly what we expected. We're only about, what, like $200 above our highest expectation of where the retrace could occur, but it is testament to us running to that square up level, and that looks like around 6,200 or something like that.
Is that a joint?
The Nino isn't here yet. We should wait. Kappa.
How does one wait or not wait, Greg Morgan? Thanks for the 420. Thanks, dude. Much love, man. Okay. So we do know there's plenty of room to run. If we're at currently 55.60, that means we go $150 before we start even testing any real type of resistance. You get that, right? That's probably going to happen. I mean, here where I'm looking, it's looking like, I mean, this is really zoomed out. So like, yeah, 5,800, man, there's nothing really else till there. I don't know why you wouldn't go to touch that. Okay, man. Just don't get over euphoric, okay? Please don't get over euphoric. Hey, we had plenty of time to get over euphoric, dude. Weren't we just happy and proud that we did this? Isn't that hilarious? We were so grateful for this, but then we ended up getting this off of this. So beautiful, dude. So yeah, we did really break down slipping critical resistance point. We surely did that, and that's great. People are talking about bump and runs and all that stuff. That's cool, dude, but you can't leave out the fact there's overhead resistance. Lots and lots of it. More resistance above us than support below us. All right? Yes, even still so. But hey, if you range bound yourself for a while, you will then have more support here than you have resistance above you. Okay, and then that'd be great, man. And then if the time ever comes where we get back down these levels, it's going to be much more difficult to sell below them because we're building foundations for the future for this asset. That's great, man. Chop in history. Okay. Anyway, let's we went a little bit deeper into Bitcoin. Thanks, Mr. Gordon Gecko. You got that catalyst going, man. Say hello to some people in chat. So I know we haven't even looked at Ripple or Ethereum yet, but does anyone even really care? I don't think so, man. All right. But what we can do is, while I'm looking at chat, we'll go back to Bitcoin on the 4-hour Coinbase chart and be kings. All right. Nice pivot still going on. Maybe we can get a bullish engulfing candle with 38 minutes left. We're currently beginning to bullishly Harambe. Bullish Harambe, baby. Kappa. It's the bullish Harami, or the bullish inside bar, as some old-fashioned people would call it. All right. Cool. Bouncing off the 70 as, oh yeah, dude, you're just bouncing off the 70 as support. That is so, I mean, like, from just seeing it a billion times, when something's overwhelmingly bullish, it gets overbought, and then it starts bouncing off 70 as a support, dude. All right, we'll see how well this holds, man. I know that might be arbitrary here, but, dude, I've seen it before. I've seen it many times before. You bounce to run to get even more overbought than you were before. Yeah, that would yield you up at the prices we'd be looking for, wouldn't it? Yeah. But just very hot right now. What's up, Rich Smith, Shane Grant, Ringo Dingo, Adam Powers, Anthony Rosano, Kevin Phillips, Tetra Dragon, Hawker, welcome, P. Miller Man. Hey, I'm not freezing anymore. I'm P. Miller. What's up, Brian Griffin, XRP for me, True Stoner Dude, John Legend, Joshua Robinson, Julia, welcome, Wolf of Worcester, Worcester sauce, man. How is it? Brookalinas are back. Good to see y'all. So Deloff, Ryan Phillips, Infinite Paradox, MK, man. He says so, it's official. A crypto and stock market bull run. I don't know, man, about bull run. Why can't we just say we're up trending? Well, stock market, yeah, overwhelmingly bullish conditions. 20% correction happened, and there you go. Here we are, right back to where we were. And there's still opportunity out there, okay? It's just crazy. I mean, like, P&G reported its best sales numbers in like 8 years today. Snapchat's up 10%. Qualcomm's up even more, like 6% plus today. Oh my God, man, what is it up? It's up like 70% in the past few weeks, couple weeks. Back to, partying like it's 1999. All right, baby, let's go. Great tech bubble. Come on, MK, let's party, dude. Give me the party hat, dude. All right, we'll drink it from the skyrise, and we'll be kings. All right. Okay, dude, just getting through some of this chat. All right, what's up, Ernesto? Cover Crypto. Ooh, the Nicaraguan coffee. All right, it's almost as tough as Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan, did I say it right? Oh my God, dude, I think I've cured my illness. Saskatchewanitis. It's over now. I've fixed it. Hey, look, 88 cents. King Logan, you did it, man. Ryan is dead now. It's probably widespread panic when you were listening. Okay, I'm just way behind. What's up, Mr. Schaffer, man? Yeah, I use the weekly chart from time to time. We're we've, I believe, now broken above the 50-week moving average. 5,800 will be a celebration, I guess so, Michael. Sure, dude. Hey, Crypto Cracker, man. What's crack-a-lackin', man? Hello, Slim Shady, celebrating his 11th year sober. Congratulations, dude. 1.5 billion in gold futures dumped today. Maybe they're not. Hey, dude, you know what confirms bull markets a lot when you start breaking all-time highs? Well, maybe $1.5 billion worth of people thought, hey, man, maybe this bull run's going to extend on for a little bit more time. Right? They don't feel the need to de-risk. I don't know, man. That's crazy, though. GOC's man, he says, that golden crowns in 2015 and the second one had nothing to do with the golden crowns of 2019. Stop comparing them. It's irrelevant. Yeah, well. Oh, wait, do you have the show, the TA show, technical analysis show? Which one is it? Oh, wait, you don't, man. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. So you're not really in a position to be dictating what gets displayed on this screen. Oh man, hey, but you're free to start your own channel, or you could go look at 99% of other crypto channels and watch them stare at CoinMarketCap. You can do that too, GOCs, man, if you want to. Oh wait, no one really cares what you do. Okay. What's up, Text Adverb Man, Brian BTC, Jorge. Bet is a sleeping giant. Dude, that is not a sleeping giant at all, dude. It hit the measure move like yesterday of the inverse head and shoulders, dude. That is not a sleeping giant. It is a fully awake, concentrating dragon or giant right now. Good God, dude. Yeah, well, guess what, dude? No one really cares. Hey, bye-bye. You're some scrub, dude. No one really cares. But it's okay, man. You can be butthurt all you want about what I look like or what this looks like. Dang, dude. What happened to my chat? That's so weird. Hold on. Like, lost the scroll part. I can't, like, scroll up. Live chat. So weird, dude. Hold on, I've got to redo this chat real quick. I think it'll be fixed when I do this. Oh yeah, we're good now. Yeah, YouTube chat sometimes bugs out too. So. Oh yeah, Tom, really? Really, dude? That's hilarious, dude. Do we really need to pull it up, Tom, dude? Yeah, dude, this was so wrong. This was so wrong, dude. We'll just do it for this scrub, man. Oh, man, dude. Hey, remember, hey, Tom, dude, all your calls since December have been wrong. LOL. By the way, right? All your calls have been wrong, by the way. Oh, wait, call the bottom. Bye-bye. See ya. Call the literal last bottom on Bitcoin. Get wrecked, dude. Bye-bye. Yeah, get destroyed. What's up, Iran? David Joseph Man. Dustin Witt. Hello, the prick. You're like dumb bra, dude. It's like, I don't want to insult you, but your name is literally making me insult you, dude. Okay. All right. Ethereum. Okay, so, you know, finding rejection, lower prices, right? So, T-Chin. Hey, dude. Oh, my God. Wow. Look what happened, dude. You're wrong, dude. You're just wrong on time, man. You're wrong. It's like, well, there was divergence. Hypothetical divergence that turned into real divergence. Projected divergence became reality. Wow. High on price, higher high on price, lower levels, positive momentum. We sold off. But we're really struggling to... This is like where you should not be rejecting lower prices. You should be selling off now even more. All right? This is like confirmation double top stuff, triple top. And you're rejecting prices lower than 168.42, man. Okay. So, all in all, though, going to the daily on this one. Oh, yeah, this call was wrong, too, dude. Oh, yeah, didn't just call it, like, literally within, like, 20 cents. Okay. For dumping. And still could dump more. All right. Hit the first target easy. Fireworks? Really? Already? Dude, y'all are freaking incredible. Thanks for the 100 likes, unless I'm getting debated. But I don't even know the YouTube thing keeps, like, not updating, so I never have any idea how many viewers I have or how many likes I have. Thanks to the 303 people tuned in and the 100 freaking likes, man. Y'all are great. Oh, hey, look, the dislike trolls here. Get wrecked, dude. Are you mad, bro? You mad your stream sucks? That's true, Ringo Dingo. That's true. Yeah, everyone, like, why are y'all talking crap about Crypto Kirby? I mean, I've never seen his stuff, but it's, like, not really a place to be talking crap about another content creator in our chat. It's just like, what's the point, dude? I don't know anything about the Crypto Crew University Ernesto. Okay, sorry. So anyway, bearish bats. Then we have the bearish Garley. Think about it like this. If Bitcoin was to run to 5,800 or 5,700, we might very well get that 194 entry on Ethereum. That would be awesome, dude, okay? The smaller, shorter term pattern has hit one target. It almost hit two targets. It had a 50% retrace and then bounced, okay? So that we might hit our second target. We might very well not, because remember, the conditions are bullish right now. So your bearish patterns may not be as reliable, but when you start getting to crazy overhead resistance, like 5,800, 6,000 on Bitcoin, gonna be really, really tough. Okay, and then you've already got resistance here on Ethereum. Oh yeah, dude, look at this, man. Look even further back. This is all kinds of chop, man. It's gonna be kind of tough to break that. All right, that's kind of like Bitcoin's equivalent of 5,800. You're already there. So getting to $194, $200 could be very tough, man, because of all this resistance. It's not even that much resistance, but it's definitely a decent amount of resistance, okay? So, CX did get wrecked, dude. Dude, I saw, like, Ice Poseidon was live tonight, and he was, I don't know, playing, like, Mortal Kombat, and if he lost the game, he had to, like, chug hot sauce and stuff, and it's just like, is this what happened, dude? Is this, like, what happened to CX, man? Chugging hot sauce on the TTS, dude. Wow. Well, my PC specs sad feel. I have, well, I've got it like I can just read it off. I've got like a copy pasta. Give me 2 seconds. I'll tell you my PC specs. Okay. PC specs. I have 2 NVIDIA 1080 Ti's. I have 1 AMD Threadripper 2970X. I have an ASRock X399 motherboard. I have a Seasonic Prime 1300 watt platinum power supply. I have 48 gigabytes of RAM, and it's the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM sticks. My CPU cooler is the NZXT Kraken X52 240 millimeters. So it's like the double fan radiator. And then I've got the Corsair Obsidian 500D case. All right. That's what I have. That's my PC specs, dude. Okay. Cheers. CX peaked. Dude. Thanks, simple-minded trader. Or anarchist, because it's simple, dude. I mean, like, right? You use a bunch of coinciding variables to help you believe where we may not be going. And then on those models, you talk about, well, if this happens, then the wind, if the wind picks up, the dew point goes to a certain amount, then the models are saying we should be going more northerly. Our system should be going northerly. That moon boy, oh my God.
That moon boy took $25. Did we cause capitulation earlier?
Did we cause capitulation earlier? No, dude, we're already pivoting, holding strong. Now, on all the altcoins, yes, I guess we did. That moon boy, but not on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's holding strong, dude. People just panicking, getting out of alts, dude. Real bad. I'm kind of scared to look at XRP to USD. I'm sure it hopefully stayed above that 886, right? 3CS, 3HS. Yeah, oh my God, the double bottom. Hey, remember we talked about the double bottom? You can double bottom, but that's all you're going to get. Nice rejection down here at these levels.
Can you help me out on Ixos? It is for strong or waning?
Sure, Miss Shaver, we'll look at it. Yeah, dude. Dude, I mean, all season, you had 2 months, dude. 2 months to make sick, fat, stupid gains on altcoins, S-coins, but now it's like, what do you do now, man? Okay. So true. Capitulation, so much, man. But look, hey, you're creating a bullish hammer right now, attempting to anyway. A low on price. About the same low on price, slightly higher low, but it could be argued Class B divergence on both oscillators. So we're getting a double bottom at an 88% retrace, confirming to the market that this is the bottom for now. This is very good. I mean, giving confirmation is always a good thing. Of course, you just want to go straight up, but if you double bottom at the 886 retrace, that's incredibly nice. We'll see if this can hold. give confirmation, and then we can run, break above all 3 moving averages, and then begin from C to D the next wave. All right. Troll season, Greg Morgan? Yeah, I guess so, dude. Hey, man. Rent-free. I'll live rent-free in some scrubs' heads. It's okay, man. It's okay, dude. I'm just living life, enjoying things, doing what I love for a living with you fantastic people. And there are people that hate that. People despise that. Okay? So, all right, man. Good news here. Good news. Showing some strength on a potential double bottom at the 886, the last line of defense. Pretty nice level of confirmation if it can hold. And of course, you must be praying for Bitcoin right now. That's what you must do. Okay? So, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Okay? Hold on. God, dude. I'm scared. Monkey ass, dude. Monkey ass. Okay, let me see here. Nah, Juliet, not really. Nah. Because it's public information. It's like on my Twitch account and my DLive. Oh man, this isn't too bad. I mean, let me just clean it up, clear it up, whatever. Dude, all your calls have been wrong since December. Yeah, it says no one that knows what they're talking about, right? My calls have been like extremely accurate. Alright, let's see here. Oh, yeah, man. Very simple, man. Very simple. What's going on? Okay, Miss Schaffer. What were you talking about? I don't know what you're even saying. Like something about being scared, or is the force strong or waning? Okay, on this one. Well, daily time scale. Discernible daily swing high up here from August of 2018 to the low point. You've not even hit the 38% retrace. So we know that, look, man, all bets could be off on this. I mean, using traditional technical analysis on a traditional market, we're attempting to use it with these S coins, okay? We're attempting here. So this is the way we look at any real asset. It's not an S coin. It would say from that discernible swing high to low, nice little double bottom. We're running the upside, and we've only retraced about 35% of the way from the high to low. So 49.57 cents to 68.73 cents. That is the target zone, the golden zone, all right? You're making lower highs than your previous highs using that heart line as resistance on the daily. It probably looks a lot better on the 4 hour, but whatever, man. So you'd expect in time we would hit higher prices, but maybe not much more high. You're not making anywhere near higher highs than your previous highs at all, dude. So remember, anywhere in here is just a common retrace zone where you can sell off again. Okay, have major price action reversals at these areas, because look at the trend. The trend is terrible, dude. Okay, it's terrible. Hey, David Joseph, man. Thanks for $2 super chat, man. Thanks for not making us watch CoinMarketCap.
Veach ain't doing things.
God, man.
Troll free troll tip $25. They hate us cause they ain't us. Did you lower the percent down from 10 Mitch?
It's almost like you knew. It's almost like you freaking knew, dude. How could you say that and then it happens? Dude. Well, is it gonna happen, dude? Are we gonna have another chug? Day stream and night stream now? No, I did not. I might have to, okay. But thanks, man, for the 25. Holy crap, man. Monk ass. Wait, were we looking at Litecoin, Mayo? And guess what? When you go from $420 to $22, that's pretty much S-Coin territory, unless I'm off or something, right? But the fact is, we went from $22 to $100 on Litecoin, so pretty lit, man. Nice volatility. Crap. Yeah, candlesticks, exactly, man. We are screwed, dude. Oh, boy. I'm gonna have to go get another mug. I think I left the other one downstairs. I cleaned it too, so I can just use the same one. All right. Oh my god. Huddle Monkey's gonna chug too. All right. Prepare your butts. Prepare your Angus. Pepper your Angus. I think that's what dude says. Hey, could be in the room with me right now, Dustin Witt. The troll-free troll. Okay, we're gonna call the troll-free hotline 1-800-888. No, 1-888-6969. V-Chain doing things. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me go get the. I gotta get
Drink
it.
troll tip $25. Yes, winning. Drink.
All right. All right. All right. You gotta give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna run down there real quick and get this. Y'all, give me a second, okay? I'll be right back. Dude, I'm telling you, the market's not Bitcoin. Let's just go back to Bitcoin. Leave it there for a second. This is great though on Ripple. This is great when you get a double bottom. It confirms to the market that this is the temporary bottom. So then we could attempt to make higher highs again. Let's see. Hey, we're gonna test the waters. Are there any more buyers out here? We'll see what happens. Bitcoin is beginning to move again. Let's see. We were going from the Harambe to the bullish engulfing candle. Almost didn't want to even utter the words or mutter the words. Is it mutter or utter? Yeah, 589-6969. V-Chain doing things. All right. I'll be right back. Drink troll. Gosh dang it. Dude, so much monk ass, dude. I'm literally trying to get like some of this carbonation to stop being carbonated so it doesn't like burn like acid down my throat.
Oh, it's good. Good and terrible.
I am not amused.
TB12 tip $25. What's faster, my 40 time or your chugging time? Swing chugging.
God, dude, swing chugging. Oh god, probes. Oh, it's leaking, dude. It's leaking probes, man. Oh my god. And now the tag team's coming in, man. It's the tag team, dude. Yeah, I know. Swing chugging. I don't know. I think after chugging those IPAs, dude, it's something about this carbonation in these water beers, dude. I feel like you can chug an IPA better than I can chug these Michelobes. Okay. Sexual chocolate. Bitcoin being sexual chocolate, pivoting, back testing, holding support, and harambeing, showing strength towards the end of this 4-hour candle. Right around the time yesterday or last night when we started moving up again, remember? Stuart, yeah, it was definitely probes, man. Vomit troll, yeah, tell me about it, dude.
Vomit troll tip $25. Nicely done.
Oh my god.
Vomiting face.
Vomity face? Was it vomit face or vomity face? Thanks, Vomit Troll, for vomit trolling. Oh yeah, I owe a couple of these.
V-Chain doing things. V-Chain doing things.
Am I in debt? Any V-Chain doing things? Or am I good? Am I caught up? Some new guy just joins chat. I didn't say prepare your that.
Is that a joint?
Kangs.
Bradley. Well, thanks, man, for the 420 contribution. Holy crap. Bitcoin. Come on, showing that strength. Showing that rejection. Amen. Come on, dude. Shorter time scale, scrubby time scale, we might be showing double bottom stuff, okay? That's great, dude. Looks good. Waffle my waffle, dude. Oh my god, man. Dude, yes. Did you steal my R1 coffee mug, dude? I haven't seen it around my house. I think you took it, dude. All right, so I don't know. We're just keeping an eye on Bitcoin because we got 12 minutes left on it, and we're showing lots of strength, and we're back testing areas that were once resistance as support. Not just an upsloping support, but also a horizontal line support. Right? X, April 10th, we sold off, went down, and literally touched it like the Jesus man, and we've risen to the upside, and now we're harambeing. Potentially, by the end of this 11-minute period, we could be bullishly engulfing. This is exactly the price action that BNB had before it was gone. Okay, same stuff. Let me pull it up on the other screen real quick so you can see it. But BNB was on the daily though, which is even crazier. And it had a much better consolidation. This Bitcoin has not had any kind of consolidation. All right, so burn this image in your mind, right? Impulse up, and you downslope. Just do one red candle, which is nothing. Which I can't. I mean, that's just extremely strong price action. Okay, right here. Same thing, right here, dude. Okay, horizontal line support, candle closes.
That moon boy tipped $25. I see the boys are all here. How about those trailblazers? Hello yourself, Julia.
Hello, Julia. Wait, that's Montana's thing. You can't steal Montana's hello, Julia. Well, you said hello yourself, Julia. So I guess that goes outside of copyright. Okay. Montana's copyright is hello, Julia. Or hey, Julia. Which one is it? Oh my god. I'm gonna guess.
So what's the percentage hit rate on this variation?
That one's 33. No, not 33. It's 20... No, 15%. Sorry, 15% on 33, and then 10% on 25. So, extremely high levels. Okay, and we're already halfway to we'll have another. I don't think that's happened anytime in a long time where we have. Dude, are we gonna have another vote for the Wizard Hat, Viking Hat, or Vitamin Boy Hat again in the same day? You gotta be kidding me, dude. All right. It's crazy, dude. All right, so again, about 10 minutes left. We're just hanging on. ICX though, Mr. Shaffer, dude, it's upsloping, right? The U.S. dollar pair, you're probably in better shape than the BTC pair, right? All the BTC pairs now, they had their fun, they had their trades, right? They had their moves, and you had like 2 months to participate in the altcoin spring, which is now it seems to be some sort of altcoin autumn. All right, the seasons change. They upslope, they hit targets, then they dump, and they lose all those gains because it's a trader's market. Traders market. Well, we'll do a vote. We'll do a straw poll. Yeah, I mean, but dude, we can't get cocky. We can't even talk about the vote. I'm just saying we could. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Good luck, Julia. Is there a higher percent?
There's not. That's it, dude. 33. The Tron Connect, it was like kicking off our new Tron Connect emoji ball. By the way, do you like it? We have some new, really cool new emoji balls in the jar, dude. All right. So Tron and Verge, even there's something called Morpheus coin that Mr. Schaffer wanted. He got that. What else are the new ones since Drink Trolls been doing his thing? I don't know, we've had Ripple. We've had the Marijuanas. I don't know, man. There are a few more. There's the Iowa Jesus Peoples one for 2420. I don't know. We just got a lot now. It's just getting more and more complex, dude. Candlestick says this is the best stream chill zone. What a vibe you've created, Mitch. Thanks, Candlesticks. Hey, man, I thought we were supposed to be toxic and negative and talk crap and be negative all the time. Oh, wait, that's like what a lot of these people out there that are getting banned all the time and disliking us 50 times, these people, like, want to come in and ruin the party because their life sucks, which sucks, man. I mean, like, people come here to this community because they want to invest in themselves and get better, all right? And they want to surround themselves with people that have the same type of mentality, okay? And then there are other people that have no care, no inkling of care for getting better themselves. They're cool staying in the cave. They're cool with that. They don't want to get out. So we don't mind. Yep.
Probability auditor tip $33.33. Is this the one?
Yeah. Hey, dude. Hey, remember, 15% chance, by the way. That was the second one, or third one, okay? 15%, by the way. Give me a break. Oh my god, dude. Probes Fantana, man.
The odds are that 60% of the time it works every time.
Oh, okay, Brian Fantana. I got you, dude. Wow. Wow, man. Well, I'm literally... That's y'all right now. I'm screwed, dude. I'm screwed. Oh my god, hold on a sec. Where's the music? Why can I not hear this?
$4.29 cut.
Hey, Dilla, man, thanks so much, man. The 1429, is that a somewhat weird, really hot joint? Maybe. Thanks, dude, hold on. Enjoy this new song out by Tycho called Easy. Thanks, SD, for turning me onto it. Beautiful song.
Maybe find a less vomity beer, Mitch.
Dance by much over the body, vomited by dude, like my stomach's so full, man. It's like eating dinner, later dinner, and then coffee, and then a beer chugged, and now it's like, oh, you gotta chug another one, and this is why we call this invest chugging. Okay. We're waiting for the close in 3 minutes, all right? Enjoyed that terrible investing chug, but more importantly, enjoyed that new tune by Tycho called Easy. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks for being here. Fantastico, man. Fantastico. Hold on a sec. Goodness gracious, man. All right, now we're going in with Tycho. This song's called Jetty. Okay, you listen to WRAY 88.8 FM, 589 XRP AM Kappa. Many Kappas on that. All right. We got about 1 minute and 30 seconds left until this 4-hour close, and we are Harambeing. Okay. Good Lord, man. Okay, so we're gonna wait a minute and wait for this close, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to 80 US dollar because Rami, I don't know if you're in here, Rami, watching, but I know you requested this in the chat, so I'll look at that for you. It does look very interesting what's happening. Okay, looks very interesting. It looks almost ready to go again, man. All right. Not on the daily. The daily looks terrible, but if you look left, there's all this support, this very strong support that we're seeing. Okay. It was loud, my bad. Did I turn it down some? Oh yeah, by the way, yeah. Well, we're not there yet. We don't even need to talk about the hat, what hat I'm wearing, because we have, dude, you know the rules, man. Hey, I'm abiding by the rules. We all must abide. Like the dude, okay? So I've missed like 90% of chat. I'm sorry. It's just been a lot of stuff going on again in the stream, dude. The Vomitrol keep me going, dude. All right, keep me doing things. Like B-Chain. What's up, Tristan Tron? M. Gordeski. What's up, dude? Here it is. Here it is. The Harambe, but not the engulfing. Gross. Well, we wish it would have engulfed, but hey, man, whatever. I like the rejection. I like the back test of an area that was once resistance as support. That is really good. That kind of price action, man, is nice when you do that. Just saying. But DeLaw, man, if you hope YouTube chokes on their $4.29 cut, why not just tip with the Stream Elements if it's gonna engulf your super chat contribution, right? Party hat, baby, party hat.
Out of kindness and love of that, I'll go back. Allison is asking for you to check Advit/BTC again. Nice bounce candle.
Judge Allison Nathan. She's so hot, but dude, she may be hot physically, but don't even think about, what is it? No, her eyes are up there. They're up there. Don't look down. And what is it? What's a judge chaser? When they chase the judge, like there's clout chasers, right? There are girls that go after guys, or guys that go after girls because they have clout, like a viewing, a following. There's cleat chasers, and to deal with that in college, right? There are girls that will specifically come after you because they're cleat chasers. They want athletes, or right, whatever chasers. Gold diggers are a form of chaser. What is it when one is a law chaser, a lawyer chaser? I'd love to hear what you have to say about that, Bitmoon Boy, okay? Because I think you might be one. You might be a lawyer chaser or a judge chaser. Okay, dude. Sorry, dude, not doing anything. Who cares? Right after. We'll see, man. Just relax, man. I've got a chart up here, Bitcoin at all times, all right? Hodge Twins on speed dial, okay? They're going to call me if things turn around for Bitcoin, all right, to the upside. Well, even more so to the upside, right? So, holy crap, dude. We're freaking out a little bit. All right, VeChain doing things? Is that what you said? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you over.
VeChain doing things.
Dude, probably went worse. Yep, much worse. Look at that rejection wick, though. Holy crap. This is what I'm saying. Right, Bradford, dude? It's like, I mean, yeah, wedge, arbitrary touch points, right? Just a channel, dude. And yeah, hey, you know what, dude? Like, even when we were showing bullish divergence, we did this before coming back up to the upside. And this is certainly some sort of, weird enough, this is some sort of piercing line. Piercing line reversal. For now, right? Where you opened lower than your previous candle.
A gavel banger.
Oh my god, dude. Yes, dude. Jules, man. That didn't do justice, though. That was pretty much Ultra Instinct level of burns and power level, right? That was definitely Ultra Instinct. Put down, or insult, or wit, whatever you want to call it, because it could be all those things. Fantastic, dude. I don't think anyone's going to top that. Okay, a gavel banger. Dude, even Drink Troll himself's probably laughing at that one, dude. Thanks for going Super Saiyan for us. Kangish, dude, the 1212 in the jar. The Z Cash. The Dragon Ball Z Cash. Y'all are awesome. I never in a million years would even thought about it, dude. Like that. Okay. An ambulance chaser? No, those are actual lawyers, dude, right? So VeChain, man, broke critical supports that we had to hold above, right? And we discussed if you couldn't hold where we were, you were going to have a nasty drop. We talked about the 786, 114 sats. Well, we just happened to be one sat off where we thought we could go to, and it's out of the jar. Sorry, dude. Sometimes happens. Bouncy bounce. But like, dude, today we said if we could not hold the 618, we were going down to the 786. We were one set off 786, and now we've since recovered and we're back above somehow, some way, the 618 with a piercing line reversal pattern. Beautiful. That's really nice, man. We'll see how that plays, man. Because Bitcoin, I don't know, man. I don't really know. I feel like we knew about the trade setup. The trade setup happened. I must have been wrong since December, dude. And it's like, okay, says the person that has no idea and obviously didn't watch my show. Wasn't part of the Patreon. Okay. Patrons, all 120 of y'all can attest to the fact that not all my calls have been wrong since December. We know that for sure, right? I mean, measure move hit much? Yeah, definitely. Beautiful trade setup. So, I think we have bullish divergence. Low, lower low, but then even lower low, dude. Unreal. Yeah, so we got some pretty nice 4-hour divergence here. Yeah, you're probably asking for a rally like this. At least, I think VeChain probably at this point could find a way to get back up to 130 sats, hit the top of the channel again before selling off if it does sell off again, or it could break through it. But you're now starting to show some pretty nice levels of bullish divergence on the RSI, and on the tail end some MACD bullish divergence. Okay, so that's all I got to say about that. Okay, on VeChain doing things.
VeChain doing things.
And after we hit the target of the measure move, what was going to happen?
Price gonna dip.
Okay, thanks, Harsh Twins, man. Thanks, dude. Holy crap, dude. What a crazy stream it's been so far. Hey, AJ Productions, dude. All right, dude. He said, it's my birthday and Bitcoin is up. Hey, dude, congratulations on making it another year on this crazy world that is so much like crypto. Insane, dude. Hold on, man. Let me, I'm trying to think here, dude. Okay. I'm playing the lottery here. I don't know. Or I might be just gambling. I don't know if this is good or terrible. Okay, it could be very bad. All right, so it's your birthday, dude. Well, in that case, happy birthday to Age 8 Productions. Everyone say happy birthday to Age 8 Productions or be destroyed. Okay? Congratulations, man. This confetti, all this confetti, I'm sacrificing my Roomba's life, its battery life, for you, because Roomba's going to have to clean up all this. This confetti goes somewhere, okay? This isn't a joke. This is real life. But we're happy to do it for you, man, okay? So congratulations on getting 1 year older. Super Kings. Very cool. XRP's reversing, so is everything else. It's just getting too crazy, man. Just too crazy. Alright, $88 US. Sorry, Ramen Man. Took a minute to get there, but here we are, dude. Better Call Saul. That's right. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Okay. Dang, dude. Stevie and Junior Outdoors says my daughter just gave birth to my grandson. Come on, Big Cone. Remember.
That Moon Boy tipped $25. A classic dumping pump.
Dumping
Moon time.
pump. Yeah, dude. Pretty much. That kind of rejection down there, right? Rejection. It's going to at least yield just some sort of retrace to maybe make just a lower high than the previous high, or it can manifest into something greater. We would have to wait to see if we could break the downslope resistance, but so far we have not done that. Okay, man. Make sure this is pinpoint accurate. Okay. There we go. Perfect, man. Perfect. The dumping pump, man. The old so classical dumping pump, man. We're on a Telegram, dude. Imagine. Oh, dude, we got this Telegram where we just short something so hard, and then we cover our shorts down at a certain price. Why don't you just do a pump and dump? Why not a dump and pump? They don't know, man. They don't know the rules. They don't know the mastery of the dump and pump, man. Yeah, congrats to Stevie and Junior Outdoors' daughter's birth. Right? That's awesome, dude. Very cool. Should you jump into bed right now? That's not how we do it. That's not how it's done. Sure, there's coinciding variables, but we just randomly wicked up, man. Dude, there's not... Dude. We patiently wait for patterns to develop over time, and then we take our positions, and then we go. We don't really just impulsively be like, okay, man, we're showing bullish divergence, and we're one side off of the 786, and now from that one side off at 115, we're already back up to 124. Good God. Okay. So VeChain, from the discernible swing high to low, we've hit a 38% retrace and since sold off. Go figure, right? That's what you do at the gold when you touch the golden zone. Sometimes you're going to sell off, man. And when you sold off, you're forming downsloping consolidation, which is very bullish. This looks much better, I think, than not VeChain. But it looks a lot better than 88 a BTC pair. Golden zone, dude. I mean, what do you want? 9 cents to 13.292 cents. Hit it. Sold off. Thanks for joining. Orion Fire 69. Excuse me. Okay. The pennant looks very real. Or the wedge, or whatever you want to call it, two downsloping converging trend lines. Adjust that a little bit. There we go. Okay, so adjusting from your low point to your high point, we've hit a 38% retrace. We have not quite hit the very critical support, just somewhat barely above it. What is it? 7.045 cents, right? We hit that. A fib node and have bounced, kind of double bottoming a little bit, it seems like. Right? A low, the same low, but it's like a higher candle close, but you're just wicking right at the same area. So you might be giving confirmation in the market that you could be running the upside, but so not that strong, man. Not that strong on the 4 hour, where you don't have any kind of coinciding variables. You only have a support you're holding, right? And we have not yet back tested the channel we broke out of either. So interesting, right? It's not really your best trade setup because you're lacking so many ingredients that we could throw in the mixing bowl, right? But it is not to say that we couldn't just break this downsloping resistance and run again. Of course, it's always possible, especially the impulse was bullish. Now we're retracing, and common retrace level is between 5.5 cents and 7.229 cents, okay? The golden zone, you're at the top of it, just barely starting to crack, or what is it, scratch the surface of it, okay? So it would go much deeper, but you would hope to God it doesn't go deeper, because you have all this, look, this area that was once going to be some sort of resistance, you broke through it, you blasted through it, and you're back here now. You want to hold this as support. You do not want to fall below this again and confirm below it, because then it would be used as a critical resistance after, which is going to make it all the more difficult to get back up to higher levels, okay? So manufactured resistance, but fortunately you're above it, so it could only be support at this point. Okay? That's it. There you go, Rami, man. That was for you, dude. Okay.
Lord Ray, thank you for pumping my coin. I shall pump Tron Connect in return in honor of Vomit Troll.
Charles Hoskinson.
Please clap.
Thanks, Charles Hoskinson, for the 3333 repeating course. Hold on, what in the world's going on? I'm losing my mind for a second. Hold on. Oh, okay. Okay, Cardano Connect. Sorry, man. I'm embarrassed. I didn't know Charles Hoskinson Jr. or Senior or whatever robot is. Yeah, he's the ADA guy. Yeah, man. Thanks for pumping it. Hey, dude. Too bad Montana's not here, dude. Montana made a killing on Cardano, dude. Double bottom. He's like, dude, we about to moon. And we literally, from those famous first words, okay? Because once, that was back when we were in Atlanta. And, dude, he said that, and then we never saw those prices again that night. It was just this, hey, you had an opportunity on a double bottom with Class B bullish divergence. That right shoulder, the inverse head and shoulders. And, dude, you can't, that was the night, Charles Hoskinson. Then I had to chug 6 times. It ended up being like, I had to chug like 4 times, but then took like 2 tequila shots or something like that, or whatever. But like, that was that night. I remember it was a traveling stream, which I do those now. I might do it this weekend. I might go back to Atlanta this weekend to hang out and just enjoy myself. Okay, spring is here. The weather's getting good. Oh my God, I love it, man. I need to be around people, man. I mean, like real life, like, hi, I'm making eye contact with you and shaking your hand. That kind of human contact. That's what I'm looking forward to this weekend, maybe. Okay. I might shake a few hands with people. I might have a few conversations with people IRL. I know, it's crazy, dude. It's real crazy. Burnt cookies. You talking about the, what are the ones that I have on my fridge still that have gone bad? Oh, dude. Charles Hoskinson, were you here back when I bought those cookies? The Dutch butter cookies? I think they're still there, man. They're still like on my fridge. I don't even know if I want to open that up, man. No wonder they end up having like all kinds of everything but cookies inside them. Because time is the great enemy of the Dutch butter cookies, man. As Bitcoin decides it wants to pivot a little bit, wants to become green again. All right, making a higher high than the previous high. And now we are right at that candle high close from earlier today. Well, it was actually yesterday, technically, right before the daily close, whatever. Why are they still on your fridge? Loco is free because that's where you put butter or Dutch butter cookies. You put them on top of your fridge like your grandmother does. I don't know. It's like I naturally just did it, man. It's like human nature. Okay, these are butter cookies that are Dutch. Okay, time to put them on top of my fridge. It's like, I mean, it's literally like this. It's like, why do you do that, man?
Why is the tree good? Why is the sunset good? Why are boobs good?
Why do you put Dutch butter cookies on top of your fridge? It just does, and Bitcoin's beginning to move to the upside. 55.98. We're about to hit 5,600, up 1.2% today. Bitcoin doing things. Price gonna moon. All right, here you are. We just cracked 5,600. Oh my God, man, we're almost up $69, dude. Don't make me cue grandma's boy again, man. What are y'all talking about? What's up, Detone Gamer? Is that how we say it? Yes, Bitcoin making highs of the day right now. Highs of this new day that started maybe 5 hours ago or something like that. Candle close universal time. So great, man. Great news. 3 hours, 41 minutes left, right? That's what we're talking about. This same time last night, the candle closed. And then we ran again, man. We went ham. We went ham last night. Panama City Beach, dude. That's where I used to go in high school, man. And that was like before Panama City Beach was like, we're going to make this a family community. It's like, get it out of here, man. We need degeneracy. And we need no scruples in this town because this is spring break town. Okay, that's the way we thought when we were in high school. Everyone that's getting Dutch butter cookies next Christmas logo's free. Yeah, probably, dude. Wait, we've moved up $67 on the day, and people are like, "We're going to 6,800." Just calm down. Everyone, just relax. There we go. It belongs in my garage filled with random nuts and bolts and things. That's true. I could do that. It could be full of anything, right? PCB your hood, dude. Panama City Beach, dude. Who uses the word pricey these days? You got me, dude. All right. It looks like the summer storm. It came and it went. So we're about to do the straw poll. Can someone link me the thing? Because we got a couple more little gaps in the jar. But it's safe. It's safe enough to get the vote started. Okay. I'm just gonna like my history or something, and I'll be there. No. Julia Canatomo. I don't think Canatomo's in here right now. Okay, it's straw poll. Oh, thank you, Julia. All right, let me see what I can do here. Perfect. All right, so here we go. This is it. Chat, go to this link that I'm posting right now and vote. Vote or be destroyed. Please, it's right there. I'm spamming it in chat. Go there and vote. That's weird though. It's not letting me refresh the results. See, this is what I'm talking about on straw poll. Like, I need to... Julie, can you send me a link where I can refresh the results or something like that? Can you send me your link? Bitcoin, 5604. Up $71. Very close to session highs. Bergolino says you bring human. Human, is that, are you implying I might not be a human, dude? I bring human contact to the streams. Quite special. Thanks from your human online family who really appreciate your work. Thanks, Bergolinos. Appreciate it. I'm just kidding, but thank you. Here we go. Bitcoin session highs right now. Okay, Asia's wide awake. Are you? Scary, man. Scary stuff, dude.
Is that a joint?
Full jar 100%.
Dude, it fell out. Get wrecked, dude. It just bounced off that edge of the Tron Connect in the jar, dude.
Did someone call for a gap fill? Is there a Dutch butter cookie emoji ball?
No, not yet. Not yet, but I'm sure in time it'll become that. Okay. It will be. Hey, dude. So one more gap and it's over, dude. Mr. Gap Filler. Ah, yeah. Super sexual Verge Connect in the jar, dude. Julie, I don't know what to do. I can't refresh it, so I have no idea. Whoa, dude. How is this even possible? Dude, Gap Filler, look at these results right now. You got 0 votes for Vet Moon Boy. You got 18 for Vikang and 1 for the Wizard, or 16 for the Wizards. Not one vote for Vet Moon Boy, dude. I'm gonna be a sneaky little. Oh, what? What just happened? Is it updating in real time? Holy crap, dude. This is a battle royale. Go vote on this link. I'm posting it in the chat right now. Vote, dude. Vote or die. Okay, vote or die, mother trucker. Okay, Alex Cobman, Kings. What's up, dude? How you doing, Cobman? We're just enjoying things. I've had to chug a couple beers tonight, Alex, man, so don't think less of me while Bitcoin makes 4-hour session highs at 56.12, up $79.42 right now, okay? Yeah, Wizards winning right now. It's 21 to 19 to 14, okay? That's the only link it gave you. You're gonna have to F5. No, I don't have to F5. It's literally doing it in real time. Oh! There it is.
Let's get you a gavel for the stream.
Gavel. Judge Allison Nathan Connect. Oh, dude, you just don't get it, man. Jules, you just don't understand. Love of my life. We're gonna do the thing, man. We gotta do it, man. We're gonna do the thing. Alright, dude. It's one off. It's Vikang versus the Wizard right now. Okay. Hey, Gap Filler looks, the super chat, the recent super chat says, Gap Filler Connect. Maybe so, dude. I said, did we do on the 8? We're at the on the 8s right now, dude. We're kind of just doing a little bit extended on the 8 coverage of Bitcoin just because of things, right? We're doing things. We're kind of tweezer double bottoming in a way, but we're also rejecting lower prices below 54.83, which happened to be the high back from April 10th. We're back testing as support and bullishly harambeing, which is good. And we're also bouncing off the RSI 70, using it as support. You see that in extremely ridiculous bullish conditions, okay? 1941 emoji balls. Pretty much, dude. That's pretty much the variations. Oh my god, dude. We have battle for the 3 Kangs. Vet Moon Boy, TA Wizard, and Vikang. It's all neck and neck now. What are we going to do, man? What are we going to do, man? All right, here's your straw poll vote. Vote or die, mother trucker. Vote or die. Oh my god, man. We are screwed. Okay, man. Dude, it's like the last sip of everyone coffee is always like the most concentrated and powerful. Hey, Claudio, man. Thanks for the 99-cent super chat, man. Kangs, dude. 99-cent super chat, man. Will this one stay? Oh, that one stayed in the jar, dude. Nice. Doesn't support Bank of America. What you talking about, Octoman PCs, dude? The term gap filler sounds gross, Jules Santana, man. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. I think that's what gap filler is, gap filler, because he's filling gaps. All right, are we kidding me, dude? Is this it? All right, I'm gonna give it like 2 more minutes. 2 minutes.
That moon boy took $25. If your goal is to torture Mitch, you know what to do.
Well, guess what, that moon boy? It doesn't seem as though the peoples are quite interested in what they've seen already. They got that, right? It was just another notch under their belt today, Vet Moon Boy, dude. Okay, they're looking for their next notch. And it's probably the Viking or the wizard, dude, right? My God. Wizard Viking. I think we've done that. No, I think we did Vet Moon Boy Wizard. We did Fusion one time. But I don't know if we even beat the bad guy that night. I got too drunk. I can't remember. You voted for TA Wizard. Trader Fam, excellent, dude. All right, we're going to see, man. All right, 30, 25. I'm giving this like another minute and a half. Refreshing. So the Vikings still winning 30, 25, 21. So they'll be going 80 style Viking. What is this, Julia? What is that? What is that up there? At hashtag 160. Yeah, dude, totally. I completely read Russian too. Okay. Oh, it was an accident. Well, then just get wrecked, Julia. Okay. That's all we can say. You voted, man. Hey, you get the complimentary I voted sticker. You get to put it on your butt or your chest, whatever you want. Okay. Depends on if you're a butt person or a chest person. Whatever, dude. Okay, great. Aaron M says, in related news, yes, I'm high.
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
Remember this word. Holy crap. You have all forsaken me. Psh, psh. Oh my God, SD, man. Oh, I remember Anthony, dude. I think everyone remembers that. No one's going to forget that, dude. Oh, man. Days of old, dude. How quick the Game of Coins seasons go by, right? How quick they happen. It just seems like yesterday we broke the wall. We're already 23 days into a new season of Game of Coins. This is season 7, I believe. Maybe season 6? I can't even remember anymore. Can someone back me up on that? It is auto-updating. That's so cool. It wasn't doing that before. I had to like refresh. Dude, this is so... Trouble's on drugs, man. Okay. Alright, that's it, dude. The polling is in. Okay. It is the Viking. The Viking is the winner, confirmed winner tonight. Congratulations, Viking, on all your success. I now shall become that real quick. 2 transformations in one night. I don't think we've ever done this. This is a first. Bedman boy did. Fantastical, man. Let me turn this up real quick. Put the hat on. Oh, is it season 6? My bad, dude. Yeah, I didn't think we were in 7. No, season 6 of Game of Coins, not Game of Thrones. Sit back, relax, enjoy the size and sounds, technical analysis, and the Tycho Kings. Alright, I'm back. Oh my God. Took so long. Unsub. Kappa. Unsub. We did it, man. We have become that Moon Boy, and we have become the Viking in one day. Thanks, Vet Moon Boy, for making it happen himself.
Is that a joint?
I've been creeping the creep string on A to connect, waiting for it to hit the golden zone. What do you think, Lord Ray?
Well, SoloTube, you must have literally just got in here because we, just before this one, we analyzed ADA, right? Just say like, yeah, you're right. I just got in here, man. Okay, get drinks. Don't have to save my drinks in case I have to chug again. I mean, I have to go downstairs. I got one more up here, but if the variation goes up, I have to go downstairs and get more. All right. Okay, hold on a sec. I'm gonna get this, and then we're gonna keep it going. Okay, man. Oh my God, Tuesday night fiasco. You just never know what's gonna happen. Okay. That's right, Hotto Monkey. You can't wear a Viking helm without a mug of grog. Isn't grog what orcs eat and drink in maggots? They also eat maggots in Lord of the Rings. And it's like if you eat it, you'll get like completely drunk. It's like inedible for humans or something. I can't remember, dude. Fus ro da Epic. Thanks, man. Yes, Skyrim indeed. Dovahkiin, man. We must be the Dovahkiin Kangs, dude. So you just got in here? Okay, so we can just switch it back over. I'll keep my Bitcoin. Everyone just calm down. Everyone calm down. So I'm sorry to say, but we have already hit the golden zone. We've hit the beginning of it, right?
Is that a joint?
Yeah, I just got in here, Ma. The Viking moon is full tonight, boys.
Though it seems. Thank you, SullyTube, for the 420, the 840, dude.
You have been chosen for another random probability audit. This has nothing to do with your Viking over that moon boy helmet.
That's my monk ass. My God, dude. This has nothing to do with it. Yeah, right, man. Whatever, dude. Yeah, one more chug and it's going to be like this. Alright, yeah, it was close, man. It would have been very suspicious. I would have felt like you hacked me if it went off right there, okay? Very scary. Cheers. 200 likes. Bradford owes us a tequila shot. Nuh-uh. Did we hit 200 likes? I don't think we did we? See, it doesn't even update for me anymore, so I don't even know. I have to like update every time now. So I don't even have like a live viewer count nor a live like dislike count. Okay, dude, holy crap. Thanks for the 200 freaking likes. Y'all are incredible. And thanks for the 305 people still tuned in. I can't believe y'all are still watching it. Viking, okay? Cover Bitcoin and sometimes some S coins, right? Chug from the Viking hat, Nicholas says. Maybe did. Okay, so ADA, low point to high point. We've sold off and we've hit the beginning of the golden zone as just discussed moments before you arrived. All right. So 55 cents to... I'm sorry, 5.5 cents to 7.2 cents is your golden zone as pictured here. You can see the zone. I know it's tough to see with this chat, but also you have not really even touched the critical support below you. You're bouncing off the 382, kind of double bottoming a little bit, but no divergence to help you here. Not really. Like you're making bearish convergence on the 4 hour, and it's argued that you're making bearish convergence on the MACD, low, lower low, higher levels of negative momentum. But of course, from this low to this low, but dude, this low to this low, I mean, it's all cherry picking almost in the MACD. So the RSI is not helping, nor is the MACD. So we've now hit the golden zone, the top of it, and you do not want to fall below 6.8 cents. That is very bad if you do that. Okay, man, you don't have much support left beyond that. All right. So slowly, man, we have hit that golden zone. Just scratching the surface, as that was verbatim what we said before, okay? crap.
Julia Gulia tipped $25. Don't freak out, man.
I'm not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do and freak out, man. Thanks, Julia, for the 25. Cheers. Good lord. Julie, did you know this? Introverts United said grog in real life, or IRL, was rum and water. A rum and water mix sailors used to keep fresh water safe-ish while at sea. Yeah, you drink alcohol because the alcohol killed the bacteria and water would stagnate, bacteria forms, right, all that. So it was like safer to drink alcoholic beverages while at sea, right? But then they invented the IPA, dude. Oh yeah, IPA, let's go, baby. Just kidding, but you get it. IPA had things to do with the sea, right? The having to travel around the Cape of South Africa to get to India from England and France and Portugal and Spain and all that, right? So the beer was spoiling, and so they put more hops in the beer, and then it became IPA because it had a longer shelf life. Wow. Thanks for the sub. Okay, man. Say MacD one more time, Jamal. One more time. Okay. I'm sorry. Was it I'm sorry? Say I'm sorry one more time. Or relax. I can't remember what it was. I think Jesse Pinkman said that. Say relax one more time. Oh my god, man.
Do you feel lucky, punk?
Clint Eastwood, thanks for the $3, 33 or 33. Not really, dude. I'm super monkey-assing over here. Like, this is super monkey-ass, dude. No!
Vaychain is doing things. Lord Ray is tying things.
VeChain doing things.
Is that a joint?
Dude, solitude, man. Thanks for the 25, dude. Whoa. Holy crap, man. What's my opinion of the YouTube trader Crypto Kirby? I have not watched any of his work, but if I was a content creator and I wasn't technically scamming people, like there are people out there that aren't scamming people, and there are people out there that clearly don't really produce any value. They go on stream and then they talk and then they look at CoinMarketCap for like a couple hours, whatever, right? Those people that are pushing their affiliate marketing scams on people, right? That's the only way, because they can't make money with value by educating and empowering others. So they must find another way, all right? Crypto Kirby, as far as I know, he's like the big time TA crypto guy, right? And I haven't heard much about him being a scammer. It sounds like there are people that believe in what he does, and as long as he's not trying to like actively try to scam people with, you know, pretentious, asinine, I don't know, interpretations of the market, right, that just don't make any sense. As long as he's not doing that, I'm cool with him, dude. All right, I give no problem with someone who's just trying to help people. Okay, if that's his main mentality, is to help other people, we're cool, dude. Okay. I only know a handful of those people, but then again, I don't really branch out into the streaming world on the viewer side, right? It's just not. Like, I don't have time, man. Like, it's just keeping this stuff going, man, is real tough, man. And there's so many different things that go wrong every single day, and you see it. Okay, so like, you know, that's kind of my opinion on him. I don't have much of one, but I'll just say if he's not really trying to really scam people, and you know what I mean, he might charge a lot or something for a service, but if the service is going to help people, then go by all means. That's capitalism. But as long as he's not trying to scam people, he's cool with me, dude. That's it. Okay. Say what one more time? That's what it is, JD. What? Say what one more time? Yeah, Solitude. VeChain doing things. Hey, you know, we looked at VeChain tonight too. Was that a passive aggressive attempt at, well, it wasn't an attempt, was it a passive aggressive request? Or was it just, what? What was it, dude? Stephen Wright, oh my God, I know what I'm doing with the rest of my night. Oh my God, Stephen Wright, I freaking love you, dude. More breaking news, more breaking news. Cobra Kai is now live, season 2. Once this stream ends, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be watching Cobra Kai probably all night, dude. Oh my God, dude. Yes. It's been a long time coming, dude. But this is it. This was the date I'd been waiting for. It was like this date, the 24th, will be, you have Billions going, you have Game of Thrones going, and you have Cobra Kai going. Those 3. And that's the sweet spot, dude, for me. Okay. What is Bitcoin doing and how? Bitcoin is running to the upside, and it's in a potential bearish crab pattern. Who was that? Daishan Gilmer, dude, do you hear me? Are you there? Let me know. Give me some words that you're still alive. Okay, we broke a potential little rising wedge. We back tested it as support. The upsloping resistance became support, as you can see with the candle close confirmation. And look left, the previous April 10th high. We sold off, bounced off it, rejected the living crap out of it as a support. We bounced off the 70 on the RSI, and now we're running again. And so what we would expect now, the invalidated bat pattern has become the potential crab pattern. So we're looking for a 1618 fib extension around 5832. And the confluence area for the 3618 is also right up there as well. Okay, so up there, if we got to those prices, we would expect on the daily to be developing. Our theory was we'd start developing bearish divergence on the MACD. And at that point, we could say, all right, we could be asking to sell off, but we got a long way to go. We still aren't even showing positive momentum yet, but we will. If we keep this price action up, it's going to be happening soon, okay? What was that? Coil Twitchbot, thanks for the 100 bits, man. Dude, I think that was a real bit. Dude, y'all understand that was a real bit on Twitch. What? Unless I've lost my... That was a literal bit. I'm not even live, dude. This is what we're looking for, okay? The hypothetical theory. Huge spike in positive momentum because of the big move up. You sell off a little bit, you consolidate, then you do it again, you make lower levels on higher prices, Class A bearish divergence, and then you're looking for that sell off, okay? At critical resistance points between 5,800 and 6,000. That's it, man. Okay? Okay, man. That's weird, dude. That confused the living crap out of me, dude. It's like, how is that even happening? Dude, let me just refresh this because I don't even know. So there you go. Deshaun, man, are you there? Because I literally just focused on you and did exactly what you asked, okay? Everything about what you just asked, okay, man? Thanks for the 302 people watching. If you're enjoying the live stream, the coverage of Bitcoin, trying to break to higher highs, hit that like button, that bell us up. Thank you for being here. Dude, y'all scaring me, man, though. I don't want to have to taunt y'all. I don't want to taunt y'all because I'm monkey-assing so hard, okay? You don't want to know that, Clint. You don't know what I'm drinking. It's water scrub beer, okay? That's all it is. Huddle Monkey says Kirby should up his game. He only trusts people who wear Viking helmets. Exactly, dude, right? How can you trust someone if they don't wear Viking helmets? Okay. If we continue to run a little bit, can we stay for a little while below 6,000? Do you see the alts pumping before you do that? I don't know. Speculative, Jose. Very, very speculative, man. So normally when you ask questions that are so speculative like that, I just normally shut down and do this.
I don't know, sir.
Hey, Chris Esden. Welcome, dude. Thanks. But thanks again, Stephen Wright, man, for letting us know, dude. That's awesome. What's up, Isra, dudes? Late to the stream, but we're here. Yeah, better late than never, man. Right? There's nothing wrong with VODs too. Video on demand. You can rewind. Antonio says, did you hear that the British Virgin Islands made a partnership with a crypto company to manage all of their future disaster relief? Oh my God, man. You better make sure they're not an ICO scam. like 98% of everything else. Oh, no!
Julia tipped $25. Why scared?
Because it's coming, dude. It's like, brace yourself, winter is coming. The numbers game is coming. It's gonna hit real soon. That keeps up. That's why I'm monkey-essing Julia, okay? My God. Oh my God, spelling much? My bad. Oh my God. I of it. I evolve it. I can't type it. Okay. What was this talk to man PCs? What'd you say, dude? 15-minute Bitcoin. Oh my God. 4 hour looks pretty decent too. Okay. Mrs. Canatoma says, welcome to Mitch Ray's Center for Kids, Trader Kids who can't read charts good and want to learn to do other things good too. Alright. Exactly, Miss Canatoma. Dude, and by the way, I don't know why. Someone tipped, LPLT also tips 321 like you, Kanatomo, and for some reason I just defaulted last night. And you're like, it wasn't me. I revisited and saw that it was LPLT. So thanks LPLT for the 321 last night, okay? What's up, Karim, dude? You lost? You need a wizard hat? Alright, man. Well, they're on Amazon, dude, for $1 trillion each. Okay. Thanks, Christian, man. Appreciate that, dude. Thanks for watching, man. Being here. Yeah, but the bearish divergence is not developed yet. Though you can say we have bearish divergence, which is true. We do have it, but we have no certified swing high yet. We have not said, hey, we're done, right? We don't even have positive momentum on the higher highs, right? We just discussed that. So of course it's going down, but we could go much higher before we sell off. Of course we're overbought, 76 on the RSI on the daily. But dude, you have to understand, like, that's one thing. And then there's really no resistance where we are until 5,800. So this could go up to 84, 85 on the RSI, and it would still be considered bearish divergence. So we could still run to those areas of critical resistance, or at least the top of the channel, which again is like 5,700 plus. All right, so of course there's bearish divergence, but it's not complete. We don't have a swing high yet. So it could just keep going, man. But I think the more concerning thing, the RSI being overbought, is the negative momentum on much higher prices. That's what's concerning me. Okay, so a big sell-off, yes, will eventually happen at some point in the very near future. Okay, we hit the top of this channel, something like that. Yeah, the big sell-off could yield us down to 52, 5,300, okay? The bottom of the channel, right? The range that we're in, that is upsloping. Okay, so at these areas where people say monkey ass, and then we start pulling back. All right. So Chris Varus, man, it's you're not incorrect saying that, okay? But it's just also like, hey, man, we just did break 100% retrace from our previous high on MEX, April 10th, right? So when you break that, it's like, okay, where's the next resistance? Well, there's not. We did hit 1272, and we're running to it again to see if we can break it. You break the 1272 at 5640, or going to 5723, which is the 1414 fib extension, very close to again the top trend line of the upsloping channel or flag that we are in. After the April 1st pump. Yes, we used pump correctly. When do we become such nerds? I don't know, man. I've always been a nerd, man. Dude, it's like tough, like fitting in life, man. When you're a nerd, but you're also a hybrid, dude. So it's like, yeah, I'm a nerd, but like I also was like the jock too. But I like loved studying and books and reading and Star Wars and you know, when I was really young, Pokemon. I loved like Warcraft, right? I loved all that stuff, but it was like I had both worlds. So big time hybrid. So when you're like that, it's very hard. I mean, it's like, because you got most people are just like all in on one side or all in on the other. No balance, no Thanos. Okay, so I always felt like the lone Thanos Really, until I started streaming. Then I'm like, dang, dude, there's so many like-minded people like me out there. Okay. Anyway. Nice back test. So the shorter term, getting off the daily, we can see there's so much strength on the 4 hour, right? So we can talk about the daily we want, but why don't you just go in one time scale that's pretty freaking significant? Okay. Fair. Yeah, if it broke its most recent high, they could easily, yeah, exactly, because there's just nothing else. There's nothing. Like with the 55, 18, whatever, like you're clearly invalidating that as any kind of resistance. That was all it was, right? Good, ST, man. Good. Well, we kangs then, dude. One week, come join the Center for Ants, Julia. Holy crap. Stephen Wright says, what do we study here? What happened? What? You just deleted the comment I was reading. Get wrecked, dude. Good one, Stephen Wright, dude. Interrupting cow, interrupting retraction. Okay. What about Lycon? Why don't you review it anymore? Because not many people ask about it, dude, okay? Okay, man. Sorry, dude. Let's go look at some S coins. Well, it's just like... Dude, I mean, you can clearly see the shift, man. Okay, do you want to go to, what, man? Okay, fine, dude. Whatever, man. Litecoin. Still selling off. Good. Keep selling off like a peasant. That's all we want, dude. Just keep on selling. Keep on selling off. All right. Crazy uptrend. We broke out of it like insanely, and then we sold off, and we're back in it, okay? We're actually now, what? We are below the 200 moving average. We're below the 20. We're below the 50 on the 4 hour. Below all of them. Crazy rejection down here. But from that major low, with the clear discernible low, high, low, high, low, we're looking for $65, $66 for an entry on a potential bullish cipher. Okay, there it is, Litecoin. We're just waiting, man. Like, it's not that we don't care, but it's like, dude, I mean, you gotta realize what's happening right now. I mean, yeah, a little bit of bullish divergence too, man. A little bit of bullish divergence on Litecoin right now. Low, lower low, much lower levels of negative momentum. It seems like rejecting lower prices. It's maybe it's gonna pop, but it looks like definitely creating that really nice looking potential falling wedge, right? Maybe it's doing that. Maybe that's what we need to be kangs. Not very strong yet, but you make sense, right? Huge impulse up, and then you have down sloping consolidation, and now you're right around probably the 62% retrace, or very close to it. Okay, man. The huge uptrend, it was shattered, and now you're just back in it. Okay. What are you going to do at 5,900? Oh my God, man. 5,900, if we get there, we'll talk about it. How about that, dude? What's up, Christian B? Oh yeah, Bradford, C&D's getting close. getting close, man. Yeah, Litecoin to Ethereum. Yeah, we did have an extremely... Oh, dude, remember how much further it went above our targets? Man, Litecoin to Ethereum, dude, of course. That one was ungodly. And that was in a market where nothing was really playing out for Bitcoin pairs. Dude, it was bad times. Real bad times. Yeah, Miss Kentoma, man. My God, dude. What's up, Sean Hunter? He says at work on the night shift, just listening to the wizard, respecting the TA. We respect the TA, man, John, man. We respect the work when we're working, playing, and other things too. When we're doing all kinds of things, right? Thanks, Sean, man. Okay, hold on. Let's, dude, I'll tell you this, though. Have you ever looked at it? Yeah, we have. We had successful trade setup. It's been minutes since we looked at it, right? So insane, dude. This is the one that was in... Look, talk about measure moves go both ways, even if they're bearish patterns, okay? Don't forget that, man. Litecoin to Ethereum. It's been a minute. We haven't looked at this in a minute, all right? So, look at this. Rising wedge. Holy crap, dude. Rising wedge, and you broke out of the upside. You hit... What'd you do? You hit the measure move, and literally nothing more. Nothing more from the breakout. This is TA being respected so freaking hard, dude. But this also, when we see patterns like this break to the upside, it makes you think back, okay, though it is a bearish pattern, is it bear? It's only bearish because there's probably a higher probability that we break to the downside and the upside. But if it does break to the upside, we still can use the measure principle to give ourselves targets, and that's exactly where we went. Oh my God, Litecoin to Ethereum. Dang. Oh my God, dude. Gosh dang it, dude. Springtime's here. There's like a freaking wood roach. I'm about to destroy it, okay? With my Viking helmet on too. Oh, and I've lost my internet. Wow. Hello? Is anyone there? Okay, y'all. I'm gonna have to... I don't know how I'm gonna get back there though. Gosh dang it, dude. How am I gonna do this, man? How do I get back there? I have like no means of getting back there. Gosh dang it. And now it's behind one of my pictures. Oh my God, man. Dude, I have the most legendary pest control, like self-service pest control. I'm very good at it. I like that. A barrier is so hard. It's so toxic. If you lick my floors, you'd be dead, okay? I definitely don't want to out of sight, out of mind this dude, but whatever, man. What are we gonna do about it? Here's C&D, man. All right, big dumpening today. Hey, what we talk about, man? The lower high, the lower high. What do the lower highs mean? Real bad, man. Not good. Not good, dude. Just. You take anything away from this, remember, anytime you get a high and then you create a lower high, that is bad. That is not good. And it's a confirmed looking lower high. Dude, not good. It's like confirming. That's like worse than a double bottom. Think about it. It's like a double bottom on steroids or meth, okay? With confirmation. So this is what happens after the lower high develops dumped. Below the 200 moving average. 200-day moving average, man. Very scary. Golden Cross May. Oh, is it going to be a fake out, man? Could be. Yeah, dude, that's it, man. That's it. Hold on. Thing's just chilling behind my freaking degree. Yeah, the mosquito episode. Oh, yeah. Kevin, I believe XRP to BTC was like 4,800, unless I'm mistaken. 786. There's nothing else until down there. What was it again? No, not 4,800. 54.92 was the next target. Dude, we're almost there, man. We're getting even closer to it. This is what I'm talking about, dude. It's like whatever people are saying, dude. 786. What the real strong support is at the 886 at 48.25. That's what it was. In my mind, I'm just thinking about fib nodes, but I'll remember there's a confluence zone at the 886. Excuse me. Oh my God, man. We beer, man. That's what happens. Benjamin, exactly, dude. And that's why it's traders market. Hardcore traders market. You take your money, you take your cash, you get back in Bitcoin and the US dollar. Yeah, Israel, thank God you didn't, man. Because lower high, dude, lower high is not good. Psychology of a lower high is stronger than double top. All right. You know, most people, even if they're new or more novice, would be like, double top, no thanks. But a lot of novices wouldn't see a lower high and be like, that's scary, that's cause for alarm. So hopefully you're getting that out of this little lesson in C&D. The lower high is bad. Holy crap, man. Good God, I've been live for 2 hours now. So I've been live for over 5 hours today. Man. But we've been going hard as F. All right. We've been going hard as F like every day for like over a year, man. All right. I don't even want to hear it anymore. Oh, you're just taking it easy, man. What's up, Paul? Rakab, man. Thanks, Kevin, dude. Right back at you. Exactly, Bradford. Exactly. Because there's no correlation, Brookolinos, and that's the sketchy part and the hard part about crypto. Okay, man. Volatility is the main thing, dude. Okay. Well, the altcoins did not spike when Bitcoin spiked last time, but this time they're going down because volatility is the kryptonite of Bitcoin pairs. Okay. Anytime Bitcoin spikes in volatility, bad. When Bitcoin's in consolidation mode, it's not going to be near as bad. Okay, the volatility is going to be tame and also have the ability to do things. But right now, it clearly seems like there's some sort of shift getting into Bitcoin. I'm sure Bitcoin dominance has gone to the upside. Let's look at that, dude. That's a very... Thank God you brought that up. Watch this. Bitcoin to dominance. I bet you it's got to be up, man. It's got to be up, dude. It broke its descending triangle, man. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Exactly. Never got a target. Well, we're working on it, dude. Descending triangle go both ways. Game of probabilities. Okay? Altcoins got wrecked. We talked about the scenario in a live stream. If we went this way, altcoins would be destroyed. They would be put in shambles. The other way around, Bitcoin would get destroyed and the altcoins would run to the upside. The game of probabilities, Kangs. Big move to the upside at overhead resistance back from January, late January 2019. That's where we are on Bitcoin dominance. Beautiful, dude. Everyone's internet went out? That's crazy, man. It's the Bogdanovs. They got you, dude. All right, y'all. So I'm about to do the rundown, okay? I want to go watch some Cobra Kai. I recommend you do it too. Check some Cobra Kai. But this is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Game of probabilities. Always the game of probabilities. That was there. You false breakout, man. You can go either way, okay? The Yakuza. Yakuza. All right. Let's do this. Julia. Friggin' love you. Thank you so much. Jack Lambert. Solitude. Clint Eastwood. Julie again. Probability auditor. Ved Moonboy. Claudio. Sam Sarah. Jules Santana. The Gizma. The Gap Filler. Greg Morgan. Sir Charles Hoskinson. Vet Moonboy. Age 8 Productions. Jules Santana again. Vet Moonboy. Vomit Troll. Delov. Probes Fantana. More Drink Troll. Julia. Bradley. More Vomit Troll. TB. 1-2. Captain Tibbets. Whatever. It's a Mighty Ducks 3. I just pulled that out of my brain really weird. Troll Free Troll. Drink Troll. Matt Shafferman. Morbet Moonboy. Greg Morgan, dude. GDT RFB. Oh, I didn't even see that. Thanks for the $1 contribution, dude. Ace G-Man. Sir Gordon Gecko. All y'all to Jesus people is because y'all I'm able to come back multiple times a day and do the analysis of these markets. Market C's. I don't know. It's stupid. But yeah, because y'all, you changed my life. Irrevocably, okay? It's so good, it can't be bad. It's just, every day I wake up, I feel so grateful. You know, when life's tough on me and things are just not going the way maybe I want them to. Anytime I think back about this community, all the bad, all the stress, it just melts away. And that's because of y'all. So, truly grateful. And I wish there was a way I could just articulate it. And so, it's just, thank y'all. All right. I freaking love y'all. So, I'll be back tomorrow. Crypto guy. Till next time. Respect T. Hey.
it's good. Good and terrible.
I am not amused. Adios, turd nuggets.